Hi guys, this is day 24 of the 100 Bird Challenge.
Yes, sir.
So here's the first couple of days. Just remember those in your head. So guys, I learned a new song called James Bond or 007. You can make a joke 007. So I'm gonna play that for you.
Let's do it. I'm gonna count it off.
Dad.
Dad. Oh, thank you, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. You can try to speed it up. Pretty good, man. I'm impressed. You can keep going. All right, bravo. Very nice, buddy. Wow, you sprung that on me. I'm surprised. Okay, we gotta wrap it up. Hank, we gotta wrap it up. You ready?
I was almost done with my super spy. I'll add on to the song.
All right, what do you want to say?
So, bye guys. Make sure to leave a comment, share. We might show you. That was already a video. We haven't.
What was already a
uploaded
video?
it.
No,
yeah,
we haven't.
Yeah, the tour of the house.
The
tour of the house that was made by John. No.
Yeah, we haven't done that yet.
Yeah, we have. Remember that was your mom.
Okay.
So.
Sure.
It isn't downloaded to YouTube yet. You haven't even seen it on Facebook. It's coming very soon. So, bye guys. Make sure to subscribe. Leave a comment down and share. I was gonna say slap the subscribe button.
All right.
So, bye guys.
All right. Adios.
Day 24.